Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell online courses on Shopify. First, select a Shopify plan that aligns with your business goals, whether you're just starting or scaling up. Next, install a reliable app designed for digital product delivery, which is crucial for hosting your course content. Then, personalize your store's theme to create a professional and inviting look for your students. Finally, configure your payment gateways to ensure smooth and secure transactions for your course sales. Now, let's focus on your course content. Begin by structuring your course into clear, logical modules, making it easy for students to follow their learning path. Record high-quality video lessons and clear audio to provide an excellent learning experience. Once your content is ready, upload all course materials, including videos, PDF, and quizzes, to the digital product app you installed. Finally, organize your lessons within the app to ensure seamless navigation for your students. Next, let's talk about pricing and sales. Carefully determine a competitive price for your online course, considering its value and market demand. You might also create different pricing tiers or bundles, offering various options to potential students. Set up automated email sequences to guide interested individuals through the enrollment process. Consider offering introductory discounts or special promotions to attract your first wave of students and generate initial buzz for your course. Finally, it's time to launch and promote your course. Develop a comprehensive marketing plan to effectively reach your target audience, highlighting the unique benefits of your course. Utilize social media platforms and email marketing campaigns to spread the word and engage potential students. Consider running targeted paid advertisements to increase visibility and attract a broader audience. As students complete your course, gather their testimonials to build strong social proof and encourage future enrollments.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.